Hello everyone, welcome back to another sharing video from Dinh Duy Cuong. In today's video, I will be sharing with you about the Gerber software. If you've been watching these videos but haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support Dinh Duy Cuong's channel. In today's video, I will be sharing with you a question from one of my students. So this student asked that when they print the layout from the Gerber software, the details don't have their code names on them. If you are facing this situation, here's what you should do. In the marker plot table, select the annotation column for me. You will select the row that you have already chosen, then you click Open. Right-click and select Open. After that, you will see an annotation table appear here. You should pay attention to the default row for me. Then, click on the three-dot button on the right for me. At this point, you will see a table called Annotation Format. Click on the row labelled Model Name for me. Click Add. If the Model Name row moves down to the very bottom, you will move it back up. If you want to separate it into another row, click New Line, then Add for me. Like this, it has added a new row, and then you click OK. Click Save to save this annotation table, then close it. Now click the Process button for me to reprint this diagram. And now open the PLT file again. You will immediately see that the code name is now on the very first row. And remember to subscribe to support Dinh Duy Cuong's channel. Hello everyone. See you again in the next sharing videos.